Welcome back to Bike Beats, where we rev up your passion for motorcycles with the latest reviews, news, and two-wheeled thrills. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Honda CBR650R, a bike that blends everyday rideability with race-inspired attitude. Let's get into it. Design and style, sharp and refined. Narration. The 2025 CBR650R takes a bold step forward in the style department. With redesigned bodywork inspired by Honda's Fireblade, the bike now features sleeker LED lighting, a sharper fairing, and a revised tail section. It's aggressive, yet refined, and it turns heads even at a standstill. Engine and performance, inline-4 power. Narration. Under the fairings sits Honda's legendary 649 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, now Euro 5 plus compliant without compromising its thrilling performance. It delivers around 94 horsepower and revs like a dream, giving you smooth mid-range torque and a satisfying top-end rush, perfect for spirited rides and weekend canyon carving. Ride and tech, smart meets sporty. Narration. New for 2025, Honda adds a crisp 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity and refined ride-by-wire throttle for smoother inputs. You've also got traction control, ABS, and an updated Showa SFF-BP front fork for better handling. The CBR650R is smarter, sharper, and more connected than ever. Who is it for? Narration. The 2025 CBR650R hits the sweet spot between everyday usability and sport bike excitement. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a fun commuter or stepping up from a 300cc machine, this bike brings serious performance without overwhelming you. Final thoughts, plus outro. Narration. With its fresh styling, refined tech, and that signature Honda reliability, the 2025 CBR650R proves once again why it's one of the best middleweight sport bikes on the road. That's it for today's review. If you liked the video, smash that like button, subscribe for more rides, and as always, keep your beats on and your throttle wide.